If you want to start a poll on Facebook page, then what you do is go ahead and open Facebook. Now tap on this menu option here, then select pages. Now select the page where you want to start the poll, and what you do is tap on this box to type, scroll down and look for poll. Now here you can ask the question what you want. After that you can write the option. You can also tap on the image here to add a GIF image or upload the photo. I will add the GIF image. For too much, add GIF and select any GIF file which you like. Now you can also select the duration until which the poll will last. For example, it's selected 1 week. You can tap here and you can select when 1 day, 1 week, neighbor, or you can select custom and set your own date. I will select 1 day, and once you do it, what you have to do is select add to your post, and it will be shared to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos.